not his fault. And then he was like gonna try to come over on Wednesday. Then he also couldn't come over then. Excuse me. And so that kind of ruined our whole, wait. Excuse me, did you do like 2 crazy things? Excuse me. Because here. Hey.
Your brush is over there on your fuzzy ottoman.
Tracking me. So thank you guys so much for that. Excuse me. So it's the last period of the day. To burp, wait. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Ugh. Oh God, that was for you, Paris. You're welcome. Go out. Oh, there you go, Paris. Excuse me. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Felt good, right? Oh, excuse me. Just a few things I said in the last video. Burp. Wait. Oh, that was pathetic. Anyways, excuse me. But
Question is, who is older?
oh, excuse me.
Oh yeah.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry, that was really sexy.
Just listening to YouTube and
Excuse me.